Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this cordless vacuum cleaner, and it was sent to us by SunSare for us to check out. Now, I've had this for a few weeks. I've been using it. I've used it on hardwood. As you can see there, it easily picks up everything. Just sprinkled some chips there on the floor to show you guys how well it worked. And then I took it into the living room where we have our area rug, and I did the same thing in there. And absolutely no issues. I was able to pick up stuff with it. Of course, we've used it like during just daily type stuff to where it picks up, hair, and it's able to pick up like the cat litter and stuff like that. We do have 4 cats that run around the house, and they like to track that stuff all over, and this has done a magnificent job at doing that. This thing is very unique. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with it. It's also very easy to use and very easy to dump this canister. I'll go over all that with you here really quick. So this is what it looks like. Decent size right here. If you want to make it taller, you just, don't push that button, you push this button here, and it extends it just like that. And then you can make it smaller, just like that. You can take this bottom piece off. There you go. And then this is where you can hook in some of your attachments if you want to. So you can hook this attachment in right here if you'd like to. And then you can take it off. And then you can take this top piece off right there, just like that. And the same thing, you can connect your attachment in here. Or if you want, you can put your roller back on there, just like that. Whenever you turn this on, as you can see there, it does have lights up front. Everything rolls really nice and easy. It does have 3 different modes. And then here on this back side, let me go ahead and show you guys this. This screen does light up. This is an LED screen. There's your first level, your second level, and your third level. It doesn't get too loud. You guys might have heard a lot of that because my microphone is right here, but it's not overly loud or anything like that. And then whenever you want to empty this, it's really easy. You just have these buttons right here on the side. You push that, this drops off. I'll go ahead and set this to the side. Should be a little bit of stuff in here that we just picked up. And then you have your red button on here, push it, and everything drops out just like that. It does have a filter up here so that it does filter the air. Of course, you don't want that stuff going back into the air. And then it also does come with an extra one of those as well. As far as being able to clean and maintain this, has one of these cool little hooks right here with the knife inside of it. Be careful with that, so that you can just run that through there, get that hair and stuff out of there, especially if you have, the ladies in the house that have the longer hair. I've got daughters and they all have super long hair, so it's great to be able to have this. I can already see their blonde hair clogging it up, or if you have pets, stuff like that. And then it has like some little bristles and stuff on there as well to assist in cleaning it. As far as charging this, you're going to get 60 minutes out of the battery, which should be enough, to vacuum a decent sized house easily, or, smaller houses multiple times. We just have the area rug in our house and have no problems at all. This thing here mounts on your wall, has the little screw holes there in the back. It does come with all the mounting hardware. We don't mount it, but just like that, boom, if you want to mount it on your wall, you can easily do that. The battery on here, you can easily take it off and have this like stowed somewhere. So if you don't want this hanging on the wall, whatever, you can do that. Or if you don't want to use this at all, you can plug directly into your battery. I know where it is right there, just like that, and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it completely. I mean, we covered everything. The front of this swivels, of course, like most of your vacuums these days do. Overall, I've been very happy with it. Great suction power, great life on that battery. So yeah, if you're interested in finally having one of these nice cordless vacuum cleaners, I've reviewed like 3 cordless vacuum cleaners so far, I believe. And so far, this has easily been the best one that I have reviewed. So go ahead and check this one out.